Morning all.
Welcome to Ness and Anders Travels in Dartmoor. Yes, we've come south.
And it's raining.
Not a very nice day at all. Cloudy, wet,
But the forecast was no rain today.
supposed to be sunshine.
Yeah,
No sunshine.
got it in for us.
Oh well, we have to just make the most of the weather. To keep making the videos, we'll have to put up with the rain and the wipers, I'm afraid.
We're on the B3387. Where's that, you're thinking? Where are we, Andy?
South Dartmoor, heading towards Dartmeet. We've come from Bovey Tracy. And we're heading west.
Very misty in the distance, very low cloud.
Yeah.
Lots of cloud.
Not
Very nice.
No, not very nice at all. Not showing the colours up. Maximum speed along here, 40 mile an hour. To go right up on the hills of Tor, which is a rocky outcrop. I doubt whether you'll even see it on the camera because it's too misty.
Just see the shape of it slightly.
Yeah. We're in the village of Haytor at the moment.
That was where our lodge was.
Yeah, our lodge is Haytor Lodge.
It's Haytor View. 48 Haytor View.
Yeah. There's the Tor, you can just see it in the mist on the camera. There won't be many people walking up there today, but in saying that,
There's people walking in the field over there.
yeah, and they're all parked up down here on the left, so they are out, they've got their coats on. They've said, sod the weather, we're going to do it.
Good luck to them.
Yeah,
I'm staying in the car.
yeah, definitely a car day. Yeah, there's two just coming back now, they've been for a walk with the dog.
Oh, sorry. Miserable, wet, miserly day. It's getting heavier.
Yeah, not nice at all. I think it's the first time we've been to Dartmoor when it's been like this.
Yeah, we usually have lovely weather at Dartmoor.
Yeah, we do. We do.
Oh God, there's a woman walking down there with just a summer dress on.
Perhaps the sun was shining when she went up.
Oh dear, poor girl.
There's a few people standing on top of the Tor there. Yeah,
I left my rain.
we seem to be jinxed
Thing
with the weather this year, don't we, dear? Yeah, you haven't got your raincoat with you. It's at home. Well, at the lodge. Another car park on our left. But will we see any ponies? Spot the ponies. We're actually on the beautiful part of Dartmoor. Just round here. Gorse is out, looking very pretty,
Yeah.
even though it's raining.
It's all right as long as it stays low, the gorse. It's when it gets into big bushes, I'm
Yeah.
not so keen. When it's low to the ground, it's like yellow heather, isn't it?
It is. Beautiful. Quite an invasive plant now, that's the problem with gorse.
It's taken over from the heather on the right hand side there.
Mm.
There's more gorse than heather.
Yeah. There's some ponies up on our right hand side. Can't see them at the moment. We're looking for ponies by the road if we can. A few out. Oh, there's a few out. Oh, there we go. There's a good few of them. Oh, that's cattle. There's cows. I just saw the shapes of animals.
Got all excited.
All excited. There's cows.
It's not ponies, it's cows.
Cows and sheep. Yeah, never mind.
Oh dear. Look, woolly horses.
Yeah. A few round here as well. Side the road. Oh look, a wild cyclist. Around. Well, yes. Yeah. Let's hope it improves through the day. Over another cattle grid. It has actually stopped raining. Is it? No?
No. It's just got finer. Looking pretty desolate on the video.
Yeah. It will.
Mist's coming down over there ahead of us. You can see the mist. You can't see the landscape it's coming over because it's covered by the mist.
Yeah.
Oh, ponies on the right.
Yeah, there's the ponies.
They're keeping well away from the road. They're cattle, dear. Don't get excited again.
No, I can see that they're cattle this time. I made sure before I spoke.
Oh dear. Man out with his collies.
Wow, look at the view.
Oh.
How's that for a view? Ah, that's pretty with that.
That's
mist.
gorgeous.
There is some brightness there.
Yeah. That is lovely.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know if anyone can see the church yet. As we come round the road, it's going to be right in front of us.
Right in the centre of the camera now.
Beautiful church. The tower on that church is lovely. If people are watching, they can't zoom in, can they? I mean, they can go full screen on a laptop.
That's right,
Yeah.
yes. Yeah, it's difficult to...
There was a sign just there, Torcroft.
Yeah.
That church looks... What would that be, Norman?
Yeah, I would say it is, yes. Yeah.
Getting closer to it now.
See it,
Should be able to see it well on the video now. In between the trees, anyway.
Just ease up on the pedal a bit. We're in Widdicombe.
Widdicombe in the moor.
Yep, well, let's see if Anne's about.
Oh, and we're near Widdicombe Fair.
Yeah. Do you think Anne Widdicombe's here?
No. Tom Pierce, show me your grey mare. Ere long down along our along Lee, for I am going to Widdicombe Fair. And I don't know all the names, dum 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 dum.
Yes, I know
And
the song.
Uncle Tom Cobley and oh. Or as we used to say, Uncle Tom Cobblers and all.
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
Yeah, that's
My
right.
singing is not the best,
Better than mine.
but just seeing the Widdicombe Fair sign, it just sprung to mind.
And there's the church on our left.
There's the church.
Just pick it up on the camera.
Can't quite see the tower, we're too close.
No.
But we've seen the tower on the way.
So we're in the little village of Widdicombe.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
I love little villages like that. They have a real village green.
Yeah.
Not like our village, we've got the footy pitch.
No, that's right. All same stone.
Yeah.
Every building the same stone.
Lovely place.
Mm.
Sort of place I would like to come and stay, I think, Widdicombe.
Yes. Yeah, just off.
Just off Dartmoor.
Yeah, well, it is in
It's
actually
in
it's
Dartmoor,
but it's sort of the foot of Dartmoor.
Yeah. Widdicombe Fair is in September, by the way. I just saw a banner for it.
Oh, did you? Uh-huh.
Wonder if old Tom Cobbler's in here.
Yeah.
He'll be there.
It must be an old fair for that song as well.
Yeah, it is an old traditional fair, I think. But for those who didn't enjoy the singing, I do apologise.
Widdicombe in the moor.
And that's it gone. We're now on an unnamed road.
Yes. Very narrow road as well. Not with a vision in front.
Learned that song at school.
Could have done, possibly, yeah.
I don't know how I remembered the words.
It's funny how things stick in your mind. Certain songs.
Yeah, it's one of those where you get, I'm going to Widdicombe Fair with, I think it's Tom Brewer, Peter Davey, I can't remember all the names, and then it's an Uncle Tom Cobley and all. Yeah. I do like the old traditional folk songs. I think they're fun. And I also apologise for the accent that I put on when I was singing it.
Yeah, never.
I don't think it was a very good Devonshire accent.
You tried.
I'm very trying. Slow down and go back. Reverse, you're right by a passing place.
Yeah, he is.
Oh, it's got a van.
Oh, then there's a van.
This would be fun.
Oh, he's going to go back as well. That's
Yeah.
all right then. Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Driver. Where are you going?
Oh, well, there's a parking.
Stay there. Stay there. Don't
It's
go
all right,
anywhere.
we'll manage.
He's getting in the hedge.
Yeah, just enough space to get through. That is the beauty of driving around Dartmoor, whether you like it or not. You have to watch for traffic and find passing places when it's a little bit narrow. So it's drive with ease.
Well, you always find look, 3 ponies in front of us with riders on.
And we've got to try and get by them.
Yeah, very slowly. And they've got a dog with them.
Oh, they're pulling over on the side. So we will just go very steady. He's waving us by.
Thank you very much.
Nice.
Oh, the dog's standing so still. Very good dog.
No more than about 5 miles an hour past.
No.
Big smiles on their face.
Yeah, because we did that. We take care. We don't want to spook the horses.
So many people don't understand horses and ponies that drive past them at great speed. Cause so many accidents.
They're just as entitled to be on the pathway as we are. In fact, they were probably here first.
Oh, they would have been.
Yeah.
These roads are only made for ponies and carts.
I was impressed by the dog though. The dog was walking free.
And he stopped as well.
He stopped.
It.
Well, stopped like a statue. It just stopped, didn't move, and then just looked round to watch us go past.
Yeah.
It was brilliant. What a clever collie.
Yeah.
It was filthy though.
Yeah. And we have an improvement in the weather. We have blue skies appearing.
Peeping.
Peeping. Oh.
Peeping.
Yeah.
Right, push those stay here under the blue bit. Don't go up there because further forward
Yes,
there's more clouds.
More cloud up there, yeah. Yeah. Right, well, I think we'll end this particular video now until we get a little bit more, bit more landscape to view. We'll say cheerio for now.
Thanks for watching.
If you like what you see, click the like.
And
So I say it. And,
yeah, you said
and please subscribe. Bye for now.
Bye.